there you are. Let's do this. Hi guys, and welcome back to the show. For a long time I've been looking for a good chip extraction solution for my planer thicknesser. So when Peter Millard suggested this one, I jumped right on it. Let's not waste any more time and get this thing unboxed. So this is the Scheppach HA1000 dust collector, or I hope to use it for chip collection. It has a 100mm hose and lots of step-down adapters, a capacity of 183 cubic meters an hour, and the bucket is 50 liters. And it filters down to 0.5 microns. Some additional paper bags. It's finally happened, guys. We have one Scheppach product that actually fits another Scheppach product. It must be the first tool producer in the world to manage this. I'm astonished. Look, I am Nomad Makes. That didn't sound very impressive. So the background noise averages at around 44 decibels. We averaged about 77.6 at more or less 1 meter distance. And with a background noise of about 35 decibels, the Thor filtration unit was averaging around 75 decibels. So there's a comparison for you. So what more is there to do? Now we need to put the thing to the test, right? Look at the shavings being thrown back at me here with the old setup. That was just an old vacuum cleaner connected to an ash bucket. So I'm hoping the HA1000 will perform much better. Here you can see the amount of shavings that is being spat out by the planer when the dust hood is backed up. Here I'm planing some oak that I'm going to use in another project. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what I'm talking about. Anyways, it's not 100% apples to apples comparison, but it will be good enough. And the HA1000 needs to handle oak shavings as well. If this had been with my old system, the dust hood here would have been completely backed up with shavings. With the old system, the dust hood didn't really get backed up in the same way. That's just down to gravity, and I think that a lot of the shavings was just spat out on the underside of the thicknesser. But Scheppach HA1000 is performing much better, as expected. So now it looks like the first 3D print for my workshop has become obsolete. Anyways, that is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. You will find a Patreon link and affiliate links to products I use and recommend below. Cheers, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.